Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix the WhatsApp music update missing on your device. So did you know that WhatsApp now has a music feature where you can add music to this WhatsApp status? So in here, when you try to upload video or photo, you can here now you can now add music by clicking on this music icon at the top, and you can just search the song or artist that you want, and you can just simply click on this arrow to add it into your WhatsApp status like this. So now the song will be attached on the on the pictures or video. You can just tap on that and upload it. But if the WhatsApp music feature is missing from your app, this is a quick and easy fix to get it back. So first, you can update the WhatsApp app. You can go to the Play Store and then search for WhatsApp in here and check for updates. So if you see updates in here, you need to update the app as soon as possible. And the second one, you can check for availability because some features roll out in phases, so it might not be in your region or your WhatsApp account yet. So the best thing that you need to do is just wait until the feature is available on your WhatsApp. And the next one, you can try to clear the cache of the WhatsApp. So you can go to settings on your phone and find the app settings, this one, tap on WhatsApp, and then go to the storage and cache, this one's right here, and just tap on clear cache. Okay, and the next one that you can do is just reinstall the WhatsApp. So just tap on uninstall, and you can just click on OK in here, and after that you can reinstall the app from the Play Store to refresh features. And the next method, you can also try to join the beta program, so you can get early access to the new updates by joining the WhatsApp beta on Play Stores in here. You can just open a WhatsApp or find WhatsApp Messenger on the Play Store and find beta, but as you guys can see, the beta program is full, so unfortunately I cannot join. And next one or last one, you can use a VPN. So if the feature is region locked, you can use a VPN that might help you access it. So if it's still not working, you can try waiting a few days as WhatsApp rolls out features gradually. So that's pretty much all. I hope this will be helpful for you. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.